Hello Drupalers! In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect to a Drupal 7 database from a Drupal 10 project, both of the projects being hosted with ddev. As you can see, I have two ddev projects. One of them is called Drupal 10 and the other one is called Drupal 7. At the moment, if we run Drupal Migrate status with the tag of Drupal 7, we are not getting enough results and we also have an error. So what we want to do is to set up a database connection in our settings local. For this, I am going to copy the host port and driver from the ddev settings file into the local settings file. And I am also going to copy the database connection generated by ddev. And the only variable that we are going to change is the host. So here we want to have ddev, then it's going to be the project name of the Drupal 7 container, and then db. In our case, as we already established, our project name is Drupal 7. And of course, we have to change the database name into migrate. And we need to clear the cache, and then we can run migrate status again. And now we have all the results from the database, and we can see we have items. And that's pretty much it, guys. See ya!